In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skip blanks when copying and pasting in Excel. Open Excel from the Start menu, then click the workbook you want to work on. Once the sheet is open, go to the source column that contains the new values, including the blank cells. Click cell D2. Now hold Shift and click D9. That selects the full range from D2 through D9 in one move, so Excel knows exactly which cells you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C to copy that selection. You'll see the moving border around the cells, which shows the range is now copied and ready to paste. Next, move to the destination column you want to update. Click cell B2, which is the top cell in the current stock column. Keep only B2 selected here. You do not need to highlight the full destination range, because Excel will begin at B2 and match the size of the copied selection automatically when you paste. Now open the Paste Special options. Right-click on cell B2 to bring up the context menu. In that menu, click Paste Special, the menu entry with the three dots, not one of the Quit Paste icons. This opens the Past Special dialog box, where Excel gives you more control over how the copied data is applied. In the dialog, under Paste, leave All selected. That keeps the standard paste behavior in place. Then look near the bottom of the window and check the box labeled Skip Blanks. This is the setting that tells Excel not to overwrite existing values in the destination wherever the copied cells are empty. Click OK to apply the paste. Excel will now paste the values from column D into column B, but only where a new value actually exists. Any rows where the source cell was blank will be left unchanged in the destination column. After that, press Escape to remove the moving border from the copied range and clear the active copy selection. At this point, the current stock column is updated only where a new count was present, while the rows tied to blank source cells stay as they were. That's exactly how Skip Blanks in Paste Special is designed to work in Excel. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.